HugePod Print on Demand Tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. With HugePod, you will be able to sell numerous print on demand products, and by print on demand I mean all you'll need to do is upload your design on their platform, and from there you can choose the item that you would like to add it to, and they will deal with the printing, the shipping, the customer service and all of that. All you'll need to do is simply promote it, and from there you'll be able to collect your profit. To get started, you'll need to go onto hugepod.com. Once on hugepod.com, we're going to tap on Design Now. After selecting Design Now, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can choose the item that you would like to add your design on. You can also see the different categories from the left-hand menu option. So you can choose whether you'd like it to add to an accessory, for example, hats, socks, iPhone cases, or so on. You have numerous options that you can add it to. Now let's say, for example, I wanted to add it to this t-shirt right here. All I would need to do is tap on Design. Once you have tapped on Design, you're going to be redirected to this page. Once on this page, all you'll need to do now, you can go over to the top left hand corner and select Upload and upload your design. If you don't have a design as yet, I would recommend that you go onto canva.com, and Canva is a platform that you can use for completely free to create designs for numerous products. For example, on Canva, all we would need to do is simply type in t-shirt. So you could type in t-shirt right here, then select t-shirt logo. After selecting t-shirt logo, you can see numerous logos that you can use for completely free. Keep in mind, any one of the logos that you see with the $sign or the crown, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But don't worry, there are numerous templates that you can use for free. Now let's say, for example, the template that I would like to use is this one. All I would need to do is select the template. Then from there, I could tap on Customize this template. I'm going to use this one instead. Then tap on Customize this template. And from here, you can make the changes that you want. So you could change the text, and you could also change the image if you want. I'm just going to leave it as is for the sake of time. Then you'll tap on Share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to select Download. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to go back onto HugePod, and you're going to tap on Upload in the top left hand corner. After selecting Upload, you're going to select your design. So let me select Upload real quick. From here, you're going to select your design and tap on Open. After you have added your design, as you can see right here, our design has now been added. All you'll need to do, if you would like to remove the background or so on, you can do that from the right hand menu option. So I'm going to add my design, and you can see how it looks right there. After you have done that, from here, if you would like to remove the background, as I was saying earlier, you can do that. You could tap on Remove BG and remove the background. You can also add effects and so on. But I'm going to leave it as is. Then you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Save, you will be redirected to a new page. You can see right here. All you'll need to do now, as you can see, the product has now been added. Once the product has been added, it is now time to connect it to your store. So to connect it to your store, all you would need to do is tap on Go for Dropshipping. After you have selected Go for Dropshipping, you're going to simply tap on the product that you have created. Then you're going to tap on Add to Store. And from here, you'll be prompted to register. So we are going to register real quick. So we are going to tap on Register, and we are going to create an account. You can create an account on HugePod by using your email address, or you can simply tap on Google and sign in with Google. Once you are signed in, you are going to tap on Add to Store once more, and then tap on Link to My Store. And you can choose to link it to either your Shopify store, your Shopline store, WooCommerce, Etsy, Wix, or any one of these popular platforms. But for this example, I'm going to be linking it to my Shopify store. So I'm going to tap on Link below Shopify. After you have tapped on Link below Shopify, you can see my Shopify stores right there. I want to ensure that it is the correct store. So I'm going to check the URL so you can see it right there. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to select the store. After you have selected the store, you can simply tap on install right here. After tapping on install, you will be redirected to a new page, and you're going to tap on install once more. Once you are signed in, you'll be redirected to this page, and you're going to tap on my pieces from the top left hand corner. Then you're going to select the product, and you're going to tap on add to store. After you have tapped on add to store, you're going to simply select the store, and you can see once your product is published, be cautious about changing variants or associated product information. And you're going to simply tap on next. Then you can see publish a new product or link to an existing product. We are going to select publish a new product and tap on next once more. From here you could select the colors, and you can also select the different sizes. We are going to select all, and then you can scroll down, select the price that you would like to sell it for. So you can change the price. Depending on the price, you can see your profit right there, as it will cost $15.98 to make. You can also tap on media, and from here you'll be able to choose the mock-up images. So you can select different mock-up images if you want. Then you can tap on detail, and from here you can view how the description will look, and you can also edit the title and so on if you want. Once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do is tap on submit to store in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on submit to store, you're going to give it a few seconds, and you can see that the product is being added. Once it has been added, you can go back into Shopify, and from there you will now see the product. If we were to go into Shopify now, tap on products in the top left hand corner, you can see the product right here. So it is now added to our Shopify store. And that's it. Once you have added the product, you can now start selling your own print-on-demand products just like that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.